Welcome to the next week of our Programming Foundations classes. This week we are going to mostly be doing problems and perhaps a little bit on debugging tools and some things about sizes of various data types and things like that. You can't return two or more values. However, you can return what's called an array, which is like a list of things. We'll talk about asserts a little bit more. So imagine, consider a program which we have to do this. Okay? Find factorial. Basically, we need to move everything above this ring to the other thing. This sounds fine in theory. So move 1 from 1 to 3. So I'll take that. What's this first one? Right? 1, 2. If you want to move this yellow thing over here, what is your logic? You take all these pink and these two greens, you move them over here. Welcome to today's class. Today mostly we are going to be talking about sizes of data types. OD is like the red pill. Okay, so OD will not interpret the file. So a limit on the number of decimal places in a float variable. So yes, it is. Yeah. So float is not infinite precision. It's actually a list of commands. This will actually do a lot of stuff. It will add a header. It will remove noise automatically. There's a lot of things that are like Menti is not free software, YouTube is not free software. We use a lot of free software and we contribute also to a lot of open source and free software, but the platform itself is not. 255. This is the maximum that you can store with 8 bits.